Dear children, welcome to the video session of Standard 10 Unit 6 Supplementary, The Hero of Holland. This story is about a little boy Peter who saved his country with a heroic act. To know more about the story, come let's enter into the video session.
Hello children, welcome to the video session of Standard 10 Unit 6 Supplementary, The Little Hero of Holland. This is a true story of a little boy with a brave heart and passionate love for his village. The author of this story is Mary Mapes Dodger. She was an American children's author and editor, best known for her novel Hans Brinker. She was the recognized leader in juvenile literature for almost a third of the 19th century. Dodge conducted St. Nicholas for more than 30 years and it became one of the most successful magazines for children. She was able to persuade many of the great writers of the world to contribute to her children's magazine. Mark Twain, Louisa May Alcott, Robert Louis Stevenson, Tennyson, etc. Now we'll enter into the story. The author narrates a true story of a young boy who with a passionate love for his village saved it. This made him famous and he is remembered to this day in Holland. Peter is a little boy who lived in Holland. His father took care of the dikes called sluices so that ships could pass out of Holland's canals into the sea. On a beautiful day in autumn, this boy Peter, who was 8 years old, asked to go and give cakes to his blind friend who lived on the other side of the dike with his mother. After about an hour, when he was returning home, the climate had changed. It was raining and the water in the channel was rising. All of a sudden, he heard the sound of dribbling water and he wondered from where the sound came. Then he saw a very small hole in the dike. Now every child in Holland knew what that meant. Due to the pressure of the water, the hole would not stay the same for long and that meant flood. He knew what to do. He climbed onto the dike and put his finger in the hole. Now he hoped for someone to come to his help and cried out aloud. His mother mistook him to have stayed back with his blind friend and retired to bed. The boy was sure that he had to stay awake the entire night and keep his finger in the hole to arrest the water from flooding Holland. The water in the canal was rising, and if he would remove his finger from the hole in the sluice, the water would gush through and make the hole bigger and bigger. The town would obviously flood. When dawn broke, a man going to work heard the sound of Peter groaning. He wondered what the little boy was up to and was shocked at his reply. He understood the danger and called for help. People came in with shovel and mended the hole. Peter was carried home and they hailed him as the brave boy who saved Holland from drowning. So we understand that no one should forsake the duty towards their nation when one comes to know that it is in danger. One must not hesitate to take a bold decision to save one's country.